We're going on a nature walk. Come on, Asher.
Let's go.
Come on, we gotta catch up to Arden up there. See? Arden's all the way over there. Come on, Bubs. Come on, you already have a stick. Come on. There's Arden. Let's go catch up. Arden, wait for us. Yeah? I don't know. I'll read it when I get there, okay?
Come on, Asher.
And Henry, and Mama, and baby brother. We're all going on nature walk, right, Arden? Yeah. Yeah, it's talking about this tree. It's a bottle brush tree.
A bottle brush tree?
Yeah, that's the name of the tree. It's a bottle brush. All right, which way do we go now? Asher, let's go to Arden.
Come on, Asher. Let's go. Oh.
This way, Asher.
Asher.
Come on. Come on, bud. That one says purple orchid.
That's the name of that tree?
Maybe, I don't know. Are you flirting, baby brother?
It's inside here. Wanna see?
Oh. Whoa. Alright, come on, Arden.
Asher.
Asher, come on. You can't go with the girls. You have to come with us. Come on. Silly guy. Arden, stop. Come on. Let's go. I know. Let's go. We gotta go down the nature walk area.